Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic, bookkeeping and accounting for audiobook narrator. As the narrator, your voice brings story to life, creating an impressive experience for listeners. But let's not forget behind the scene managing your finance. It's just as important to keep your passion sustainable. Think about it, you are juggling with contractors, recording sessions, editing, and maybe even equipment upgradations. Without proper bookkeeping, it is easy to lose track of income, expense, and tax obligations. But don't worry, I am here to help you and simplify it easily. Audiobook narrators are amazing storytellers. They don't just read, they bring story to life. With their voice, they make character emotions and detail feel real and exciting for the listeners. While narrators focus on their storytelling, they also need to manage their finance. Keep tracking of earning, expenses, and tax is important. Good bookkeeping and accounting help them to stay organized, worry less about the money, and focus on what they love, telling great story. By staying on top of their finances, narrators can feel secure and even grow their career. It's about to combine creativity with smart finance planning. Let's talk about how good bookkeeping can make a big difference for audiobook narrators. Narrators often juggling multiple projects, expenses, and payment, which can get overwhelming. So that's where organized accounting stepped in. So first, by tracking per project earning contracts, you get a clear picture of how much you are earning and where it's come from. Then there is a recording and allocating cost of voice, coaching and training. Help you invest your skills while keeping track of expenses, managing audition submissions, and casting fees become easier too, so you always know what you are spending to land the next role. Next, payment to sound engineers and editors. No problem, organized records ensure smooth transactions. Don't forget about those membership fees for professional organizations like Sage Aftra. They will important for your career and need to be tracked. For studio sessions or industry conferences, managing travel expense, keep your finance on track. You will always want to keep record of licensing and copyright fees for audiobook productions. And lastly, keep tab on subscription to industry specific platforms and tools. Ensure that you are budgeting for the resource you need. So here we have KPIs while helping you to measure your performance and track your progress to identify the area of improvement. So let's break them down in a simple and practical way. So first up we have here audiobook narrations rate. So this KPI track how much you earn, whether it's a per hour of narrations or per finished work. Think of it as a reflection of your marketing positions. Are you pricing your service right for your skills and experience? It's a great way to evaluate if you are being fairly and identify opportunities to grow your earning potential. Next we have audio completion rate. This measures how often you finish project on time and within the budget. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about showing reliability and efficiency. Clients love work with professionals who can deliver quality work without delaying. So this KPI is your proof that you can be trusted with the deadlines and expectations. Next, talk about the client satisfaction score. This is where gather feedback from your client about your narration quality, communication, and how well you are understood their project needs. It is more than just a number. It is direct insight into how happy your client are with your work. And happy client often turned into the repeat client, which is the great for your business. So let's start by talking about the number of audiobook projects you are finished. This is the great way to keep track of your workload. More projects you complete, the more you can see your progress. and of course it's directly impact your income potential. Think of it like a scoreboard. Every project you finish take you one step closer to your goal. So keep an eye on this number to stay motivated and understand how much you are contributing to your income. Next, let's talk about your narration speed and accuracy. So how fast can you narrate an audiobook and how many errors do you need to correct along with the way? This is a great measure for both your efficiency and the quality of your narrations. So you are able to maintain a good speed while minimizing mistakes. You are optimizing your workflow and deliver high quality products. Remember, it is not just about the speed. Accuracy is just as important to keep your audience engaged. So try to balance both as best as you can do. Finally, let's discuss the download and streaming rate of your audiobook. This is where you can really get a sense of your work is restoring and with the listeners. If your audiobook are getting a lots of downloads and stream, it means you are reaching your audience and keep them engaged. Pay attention to this data where is available because it helps you to understand what working and where you might need to adjust. More download streams, which means you more download and streams often means your content is hitting the mark. So here we have positive online review and rating. These are the key indicator of how audience perceive your narration quality. The more positive review you have, the more trust you're built with the potential client. So think of this and review as a digital word of mouth, where you satisfied listeners can share their appreciation. When looking at this review, focus on the detail of feedback and what do your listeners love. So what do listeners love? Use this insight to keep improve and showcase your best work. Moving on to social media, this is the great way to build your online presence and engagement with your audience. So social media platform tell you interact directly with your followers, but it's also important about the measuring how well you are reaching them. Track your engagements like comments, shares. These are all signs of how well your content reached. And high engagement means your audience find value in what you are sharing. So it is also a great way to promote your work and get notified by new potential clients. So how do we do bookkeeping on audiobook narrators? So for audiobook narrator bookkeeping, it's not just about the managing money, it's about to build and sustainable career. So here how we make it happen. First we have track audiobook sale and loyalty payment. It is important to keep an eye on your audiobook sales and loyalty payment. This ensures accurate revenue reporting and can even give you more negotiating better terms with the publishers. Analyze marketing and networking cost. As a narrator, marketing and networking are key to getting a new project. By tracking this expense, you can see what working and what not. Help you make smarter decisions and get most out of your marketing budget. Then we have manage home studio equipment depreciation. Your studio is your creative hub. By keeping track of your equipment depreciation, you can maximize tax benefit and plan ahead for replacement when needed. This ensures your stay on top without unexpected cost. Negotiation and a contractor review for a loyalty. So when negotiating audiobook contractor, focus on securing fair loyalty structures that reflect the narrator's hard work and the audiobook value. Ensure the terms are clean, conversing sales conditions and narrator payments. This builds trust and avoid confusion later on. Then next Narration, demo, production and management. So producing demo that truly showcase a narrator talent is a key. Creating streamlined system for managing demo requests and ensure each one is polished and personalized. High quality demo make lasting impression and increase your chance to converting opportunity into the successful project. Audiobook industry trend analysis. Let's talk about why staying updated on industry trend is crucial. Keep an eye on new subscription models and engaging audiobook platforms. By understanding market changes, you can uncover fresh narration opportunity. Remember, staying informed means staying ahead of your competitors. Audiobook narration, marketplace and agent representations. Here, let's dive into how to connect with more clients. Explore audiobook marketplace and authors collaborate. Consider agent representation to expand your reach and credibility. Use smart tactics to market your skill and understand how and stand out in this growing business. Next, we have audiobook narration portfolio and website development. So finally, a published portfolio and website can work wonder. Showcase your narration samples and share client testimonial and make it easy for people to contact you. A professional online presence is a key to attracting new clients and build trust. Remember, success in audiobook narration is about staying informed, connecting with the right opportunities and presenting yourself professionally. Keep learning, keep growing and let your voice track your pace. So here we have some case studies where we explore practical bookkeeping and accounting solutions for the different industry and professionals. So today let's dive into fantastic case study from underpriced voice to profitable performance. So let me share the story of a voice-over artist who faced common but challenging situations. So she underestimated her project cost and undervalued her narration skills. This left her with the minimal profitability despite her hard work. So Meru Accounting stepped in to help her. We introduced accurate project cost tracking, the guidance her to adopt data-driven pricing solutions that match her talent and efforts with the better insights, and she started charging fair rates. This not only boosted her earning but also gave her confidence to negotiate competitive price for her work. In this case study highlights how accounting solution can transforming challenges into the opportunity. Here we have another interesting case study, the mystery of missing loyalty. It is a story of how simple system can bring big changes. So we worked with an individual who was struggling to track their audiobook sale and loyalty payment. Without a proper system, they faced potential income loss. Our team at Meru Accounting stepped in and built a customized loyalty tracking system. We also ensured that all the necessary paperwork was prepared correctly for the loyalty claim. The results were incredible. Their earning increased significantly and how they can confidently track audiobook sale and follow up on loyalty payments. This ensures that they always receive fair rates from the publishers. This case is a great example of how the right system can transform your financial tracking if you are facing similar challenge. So here we have another success story. This one is about turning demos into the client winning presentations. So challenging and organizing face a tough challenge. They were getting a narration demo request but they struggling to convert them into the paid job. Why? Because their demo were too generic and did not connect with the client specific needs. So that's where Meru Accounting stepped in and we helped them to develop a method to create a demo tailored to unique project requirement. This were are not just random presentations. They were designed to highlight exactly what the client were looking for. So the result were incredible. The organization start acquiring more client because this high quality project specific demo showcased their storytelling skills effectively. This lead to significant boost in client conversion rate. So this case show the power of customization and understand client needs. In this video, we will explore how Meru accounting goes beyond the basic bookkeeping to help audiobook narrator success by tracking audiobook sales, ensure loyalty are properly collected and narrator can boost their revenue. Meru also help improve client acquisition with the targeted narrative demo presentations. This case studies show how Meru assists in managing project cost, ensure fair payment and create strong marketing strategy to attract new client. With these tools, audiobook narrator can build a successful and sustainable career in narration. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Stay tuned.